In 1945, Percy Spencer, an engineer at Raytheon, stood in front of a magnetron, a device used in radar technology. Suddenly, a chocolate bar in his pocket melted. Curious, he placed popcorn kernels near the magnetron, and they popped. This accidental discovery led to the invention of the microwave oven. But how does it work? Microwaves cause water molecules in food to vibrate, generating heat. This simple yet revolutionary concept changed kitchens forever. Who knew a melted chocolate bar could spark such innovation? Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.